You want to see how I hoop a snapback hat back on the outside there, going around the curve? Stay tuned. T-Town Teacher is going to take care of you. Got him on the hat hoop now. Got one going. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how to do it the easy way with your regular hat hoop with my Ricoma TC1501. We'll see you here in a minute. Come on, take a look. Here, we'll make a short little video here, show you how I hoop the back of these hats and get them going. I have one hooped already, so let's put you on a tripod here and get you going. We'll put this on the machine. That one's already hooped. We do use backings here. Oh, let me get this one off. Not using it like on this video here, but get the backing. These ones here, doing the back of the hats, your adjustment needs to be as tight as possible down here. It could be a tiny bit tighter, to be honest with you, but there's nothing that you can do that I know of to make that right. So we just did the front of these hats already. I did a time-lapse video of my whole day of printing these hats. I started these, I think, 9:30, 10 o'clock a.m. These are 22,000 stitches, and it is 4:27 right now. So wanted to make a short little video on getting the logo on the back of the hats. So yeah, I just take this across here, open it up, and then I just take my the line right there, line it up straight and make sure this is going straight, push this back. I grab my finger and loop that around. We'll have to make that, adjust that a little bit more here in a second. Make that tight, make sure there ain't no bumps and all that type of stuff inside there. Make sure it's lined up where it needs to be. Go over, lock it in, hold the hat down here, lock it in, make sure it's lined up correctly. Hold your hat over here. And if this alignment is in the right holes, it'll line up and hold in. Snap it in. Then let's take a look at the machine. We're in the machine now, and now we'll hit start. This is only 1,600 stitches. And I'll embroider. And I'll still embroider inside out for the back of these hats. There it is on the back of the hat. Like that. With my torch, hit those two little spots. There's a tearaway. And I'm using black tearaway. There you go. Back of that, regular hat, and we'll get done with the next one, we'll show you. I have that hat over there ready to go. We get on the hat hoop. Just on the studio about done here. And I have 12. I gotta get 12 done before Christmas for this customer, so that's what we're gonna do. We want to get these out. I got 12 more of these same colors to do, and then I think six of the black, or a couple of the black, straight black, black on black. These are the Pacificas 104s, just like the Richardson hats. My favorite. There we go, getting ready to get done. done. Put that on tripod there. So yeah, so I'll pop this off to the side. Put that on the table. This on there. Lock it up. Without going back to number 1 needle, I'll hold down number 9 and make sure that I'm in the center, and I'm not. I'm in the center. Hit start. On to the next one. Alright, I'm going to finish off this video here, show you a couple extra things that I do when I'm done with hats. Let's take this off the hoop. I'm not going to start the machine so you can hear me. We're going to get another hat hooped up real fast. So the machine's ready to go. So I take, after I do the hats, I put the things back inside there. I put a sticker inside there, and I also put my hat stickers, holographic, from my Rolo printer. Take that, and I put this on top of there, like that. Sticks right on the hat. Alright, there you go. Tim, T-Town t-shirts. Done with this video here. Here's the front. There's the back. Logos go on the inside. QR code. My favorite hat guy goes on the bill. And these hats are going to be ready to go out. Got a few more to go before I ship them out. But like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you did different. Tell me how I did. Like, subscribe, go back there, and till the next one, guys and ladies, we'll see ya. T-Town out.